video, we're going to show you what we do to the cars after a track day and how to get them ready for the next track day. So we have Alex Moss's endurance car. Really hasn't been touched since COTA. It's still really filthy, dirty. You know, an endurance race on these cars is pretty much a full season of like what GLTC is. So these cars are abused for 16 straight hours. And yeah, they come back in pretty rough shape. You know, there's maybe a little bit of body contact damage stuff that needs to get addressed. There's, you know, all drivetrain fluids, alignment's all out of whack, and then just general wear and tear on the car. You know, everything's wearing, you know, like I said, a full season's worth of wear in one weekend. So we're gonna go through, show you what we do to Alex's car to get it ready. We have an event coming up at Barber in a couple of weeks. Not even a week and a half. So yeah, this is the process that we do to pretty much all the cars before every event. If you want to pull the wheels off, start checking, check for any loose stuff. This was the hub that was replaced last time, which yeah, has studs. Yeah, there's rubber everywhere. We'll get the bumper off. We'll try to block the sides of our radiator duct. Maybe try to add some brake coolers. I think I have some brake coolers that go in those vents. Got pads all around. Yeah, check everything there. The engine oil should be good, but we'll probably do trans fluid. I need to test the trans cooler, make sure the trans cooler is working. We got to pull the weight out. We'll pull all that out.
Holy moly.
Yeah. We anticipated it making 215 horse or something, so we had to ballast up a bunch.
Oh,
it went
engine swap.
Right. So here's looking still pretty good after a full. Yeah, I'm gonna re-dyno it because Robert and I went and tuned this thing in a parking lot in second gear because we didn't want to go any faster. And I mean, it was fine on track. Obviously, it lasted all day. But I want to.
Is there anything that we need to check that was like
from the swap? Everything.